What are you doing here?
What am I doing? Well, I came here to find out if your madness has ended. But from what I'm seeing, you're still on it.
Well, I'm not insane. Rather, you are the one being unreasonable.
Viola, why are you bent on destroying what we share? Why? You know what? You have to choose between this relationship and what you believe about the deity. I never wish to be in this kind of situation, especially with the one woman I wish to share this world with.
Sooner or later, you realize that all this will not help you. You need to save the land. He belongs to this land, and you alone can tell him that.
You've allowed yourself to be deeply possessed, Viola. It's so unfortunate.
And you have refused to listen to the voice of peace and prosperity.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.